Hey guys, it's Grim. Another video from me regarding Domoticz, and today I'm going to show you how to make a scene which I've called Christmas lights, where you can just switch on or off all of your Christmas lights. And it's just depending on what you put on the back there. So which lights you put on which device. So what I first did is I had all my switches in here. So these are all my current switches. So I had all these switches learned by Domoticz itself, and then I still need to turn it into a room. And that's one other funny thing which I show you in the next video, so I can actually choose which switch is in which room. But for this video, with regarding to scenes, it doesn't make any sense to show it to you. I will show it later on. So if I go back to scenes, and you can see here, I've created one. So let's create another one, and I will call it Christmas Lights number 2. And I will create a scene or a group. And in this case, I've just choose for group, because I have a switch on one of the lights. I want to switch on all the lights. So add scene. You see here, it's off right now. It's not being a favorite. There's no timers. And I just click the edit button. So you can see that this is actually my scene that I'm trying to create. There's no activation devices in it. There's no other devices in it. I actually have to choose it. So let's first get an activation device in. I just click the add device button, and then it asks me to push a button on the remote. Here you go. This happens to be the switch where my Christmas tree is at as well. So when I click that button, I just want to switch on all of the lights on, in my house with regards to Christmas lights. So what do I do next? I now have my activation device in, and I need devices in there linked to my activation device. So I'm going to just pick my device list over here, and I'm going to click everything where it says Christmas. And I'm going to click add, and I'm going to click the other one, and I'm going to click Christmas couch, and I can just give in the amount of seconds that I want to have a delay on it. So if I switch on my living room dressoir, I just want 10 seconds, for example, on my living room Christmas couch, on my lights over there. I just want 10 seconds delay in that. So if I click that and I click add, you can see delays is on. You can also put it for the off switch, and that's basically it. I can put down a description over here. I don't use the on or off action, so that I'm fine with that. And I'm going to click back, and you can see here that it's automatically saved as well. And if I switch back and I switch it on, all of the lights switch on. So that's basically it for today. Let's click it off again. Don't need it. So that's basically it for today. If you have anything else you would like me to tackle in my Domoticz videos, please leave me a comment down in the section below. If you like my videos, please thumbs up, and I would very much appreciate it if you like my channel and follow me on my channel as well. Thank you guys. Speak to you next time. Cheers. Bye bye.